All right.
Chris, how much would it cost after restoration?
This will sell usually for $1,200 to $1,500. Yeah, delivered. But they're really rare.
Rare? Is it rare?
It's the Contofix Junior, made by the Taylorix company of Germany, and they used. What's interesting is that they used a Voss as the base. So this is essentially a Voss typewriter. So it has this good Voss quality. And you can use this typewriter, you can take off this top part here and just use it as a regular typewriter. So that makes it kind of interesting and handy. Let's see if I can take that off. Voila! So now you can use it just as a normal Voss typewriter after it gets cleaned up. So I just got this, and we need to do some, of course, just a basic reconditioning. Clean all the type bars, take things apart as we need, and get it back to working perfectly for its next owner.
And how much time will it cost you?
This will take 8 to 10 hours of steady restoration. So now will you let me get to work?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Good luck.